What's up, guys? As we move closer to the launch of the iPhone 15 series, the rumor mill is buzzing more than ever. Recent analyses from renowned analysts Ming-Chi and Jeff Pu predict Apple's iPhone 15 might see a dip in sales compared to its predecessor, the iPhone 14. Interestingly, while some reports suggested steady sales, Jeff Pu indicates a cut in Apple's order from 83 million to 77 million units by year's end. Why? Supply chain challenges and a cooler market reception. Several culprits might be affecting this forecast, notably issues with Sony's CMOS camera sensors, the newly introduced titanium frame for Pro models, and the state-of-the-art display featuring thinner bezels. And it's not just about the components. The global market state and the uptick in iPhone 15 Pro prices might be affecting consumer interest. But there's more on the horizon. Jeff Pu drops hints about the iPhone 16 Pro, boasting a 48MP ultra-wide camera, and for those who crave speed, Wi-Fi 7 support. Going back to the iPhone 15, it seems that a trim build plan and supply chain hiccups might lead to fewer units available at release. Apple's recent drop in iPhone revenue doesn't paint a rosy picture, with these fresh reports suggesting a continued trend. So what's all the fuss about the iPhone 15? Rumors suggest USB-C charging might finally debut, replacing the iconic Lightning port. A dynamic island feature, increased battery capacity, and stellar camera upgrades are also on the cards. Expect distinct differences between the iPhone 15 and its Pro variants. While the Pro models are set to feature the cutting-edge 3nm, a 17 bionic chip and titanium frames, the iPhone 15 Pro Max might surprise us all with an exclusive periscope lens, enhancing its zooming prowess. Apple's iPhone has always been a game-changer, pushing the envelope of design and technology. But with evolving market dynamics, even giants face challenges. Issues with components, like Sony CMOS sensors, remind us how delicate the balance is between innovation and production. With the iPhone 15 Pro models seeing a price surge, consumers are weighing their options more than ever. On one hand, brand loyalty and product satisfaction. On the other, the allure of the latest tech. Global economic shifts and market conditions further muddy the waters. And as the world anticipates the iPhone 16, questions loom. What innovations will it bring? Will supply meet demand? But one thing's for certain. Apple's commitment to bridging connections and creating memorable experiences remains unshaken. So will the iPhone 15 live up to its legacy? Or will it pave the way for the next Apple sensation? Only time will tell.